All right, I gotta share all about this easy kefir. They're granules, and you literally just open it up, you put it in, you stir it, you put the cap on, and you wait about 24 hours, sometimes a little bit less, depending on the temperature of your house. But what I did was I took this organic coconut smoothie, which is essentially just coconut milk. It's young Thai coconut blended with young Thai coconut water. So if you bought young Thai coconut and opened it yourself and blended it up, this is what you get. So 3 of those fit inside this quart jar. And I left a 1/4 cup from my previous batch. This is my second batch. So I left that in here, and then I put in 3 of these. I put in the packet, stirred it, put the lid on, and in about 24 hours this will be ready. Sometimes it's a little bit faster depending on the temp of your home. And then this was the top of it, which was like yogurt. 24 hours later, and we have coconut milk kefir. As I mentioned, it separates, so that would kind of be like the whey, right? And then this part in the batch that I made previously is almost yogurt-like consistency. It's not as thick. It looks like it's actually thickening up a little bit. So I buy GT's Cocoa next to Coconut Cult. It's definitely super clean, and it has organic raw young coconut, coconut water, probiotic cultures, and I did find this doesn't have stevia. This is one of their older batches, but they add stevia even to their pure plain yogurt, which I wish they didn't. But anyway, so yeah, I am taking this portion and doing different ferments and using that as a starter. And remember to leave about a 1/4